Draw So Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Ne Zha, so let's get started. To draw cute Ne Zha, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a big tall curve. We go up nice and high and bring it over to about right there, and then we're going to connect it with a soft curve. There. And then I'm going to come to this point right here and go right across. About right here, not too much. Give myself a point, and then from there we're going to draw the same thing for the other eye. So nice and high, and then come down about right there and connect. There. So now I have these two shapes in. We're going to come inside, maybe a little bit more towards the inner edge. We're going to draw a circle. So about right here. Go ahead and draw a circle right inside, and then I'm going to come right here and draw a little highlight, and let's see, I guess we can color in all black. I'm just going to go ahead and shade this all in, and same thing over here. So now we're going to draw towards this edge a little bit more. And a highlight right here, just like the other side. There. And I'm just going to come to the top right here and just thicken up this top curve, just to anchor the eyes a little bit better. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to go above the eye and come out by right here, really close to the eye. And I'm just going to draw this long curve over the eye for the brow. And thicken it up. So same thing on the other side, right about here. And same thing. Nice long curve. Okay, so now that we have that in, we're going to go ahead and between the eyes, we're just going to draw a soft curve for the nose. And then we're going to draw a smirk smile. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve, slightly going upwards, and then cap it off. There. And then from there, let's go ahead and frame his face. So I'm going to come to the edge right here, really close, and just give myself a point. Same thing right here. And using that as my guide, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve. It's like a bottom of a U coming down. And I'm going to find my center, and let's say about right here, just kind of how low I want his chin. I'm going to use that as my guide and bring my curve to this point. And go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. And connect. There. From there, we're going to go up, and about right here, just go straight up past his brow. So same thing here. And then let's go up a little bit more. So above his brow, and then just a tiny bit more. About right there. And then from there, now that we're about the same level on both sides, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a soft, very soft curve, almost like a straight line. There. And that's going to be where his bangs are going to start. And then let's come back here where his eyes are, and we're going to draw a big curve for his ears. And bring it in. And I'm going to come in here with some details, and same thing on the other side. So right about here where his brow, and here. Bring out a nice big curve, and then the inside. There. So now that we have that, we can go ahead and start his hair. So I'm going to come right in here, and we're going to draw a curve on both sides, coming out slightly, and we're going to bring this curve up for his hair. So go around, and let's see here, let's go up nice and high, about right there. I'm going to go ahead and then give a little bump towards the center and then go right back up just to give his head some definition. Right about here, we're going to bring it all the way down to the other side. There. Okay, so then from there, of course, we need to draw his cute buns. So right here, I'm just going to draw a curve. And then we're going to pop in these buns. So I'm just going to draw a curve going all the way around and in. And if you like, you can come in here with some details. And so same thing on the other side. Put right there. And same thing. There. Okay, and then we need to draw the ribbon. So let's come here. Ties his hair up with. So right by here, we're going to draw one. Another one coming down, perhaps. And same thing here. So we're going to change it up a little bit. Go up on this one. And down. There. And let's finish the rest of his hair later. Let's work on his body first. But before I do that, I'm going to come back real quick and use a red Sharpie before I forget to draw this little symbol that's on his forehead. So since I have a red Sharpie, I might as well use it. And I'm going to come right here and we're just going to curve and then go up. And then in this little space right here above that curve, just going to add the shape. There. Very subtle. So hopefully that helps. And then now we can go back. Oops, sorry. We go back and finish his body. So let's find the center about right here, and we're going to give him a neck. So about right here and here. Give him a little neck. And then we're going to curve around. And then come back out here and curve around again for his necklace there. Right here around his neck. Little ring that he has. And then we can go ahead and come out about right here where his shoulders would be. Just a small little line. And then we can go out because it's kind of like it's a vest, right? So we're going to go down at an angle. From there, let's go ahead and bring it down a little bit more. Say about right here. And then let's come back in. Give it a slight curve, and we're going to go below this point and just go ahead and connect it. So same thing on the other side. And go up. That's his vest, and then we're going to come out right about here. And we can start his pants. So we're just going to angle this out more. And before we do that, let's come back in here. And we're just going to draw a curve, and this is where his belt is. And then in this area is his pants. So we're just going to ruffle it a little bit and just put in some of these lines right here for some detail. And then to finish off his belt, let's come below the vest and draw a curve right there. And then in the center, we're going to draw a little center knot for the belt. And let's go ahead and bring this out more. And let's say about right here in the center, nice and low. I'm going to say about right here. Just go ahead and give myself a slight angle line. And in the center, we're going to draw a straight line down. And then from there, let's bring this down, and we're going to curve it around the bottom of his pants. So about right there. Nice round, and same thing here. The cute pair of pants, right? And then his legs, his feet. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a little cuff. And we're going to draw his bare foot. So we're going to come out with a curve, small little feet, and connect. And then right here, you can put a toe and 2 little toes. So same thing on the other side. Little cuff. This part comes down straighter and then curves out. And this is going to curve out and connect. And then right here, big toe and 2 little toes. So then from there, let's go ahead and draw his arms first before we put in all the details. So I'm going to come right here where his shoulders are, and we're going to come out and about right here where his armpits would be. And I'm just having his arms to his side. So right about here, we're going to bend it down. And we want his hands about right here. So I'm going to go ahead and just draw a fist, wobble, and in. So go ahead and then thicken everything up. And a little line right there. So same thing on this side. Right there. And then we can bend it down. And just like the other side, but right here, wobble. And connect. And then a little line right there for the other hand. And then let's see here. Oh, let's finish his hair. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a soft curve and then just zigzag to finish it off. Same thing on the other side. There. And for some details on his vest, come right here and just going to give it a little trim. And then right in this area, it's kind of like a lotus flower, but I'm just going to simplify it and just put in a bunch of these points and bring it in. It's kind of like a explosion, center, and in. And then for the pants, we're going to need to draw where it ties off. So one right loop here, and then another loop here. And come right here, we need to bring down, curve, and you can pop this out. And same thing over here, but this side is a little bit higher. And you can pop it out for some detail. And then there's some fire graphics. So just quickly do that. And same thing here. There. And let's see if I'm forgetting anything. Hopefully not. So that's pretty much it for my drawing here of Ne Zha. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.